Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same one again. If you wish to, you can always go into Settings, scroll down and look for Location section. Then select this switcher next to Access My Location to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!